Well, I'm trying my hand at filling in this lettering here. I got my pinstriping paint here. And I already did some. And it seems to work okay. One thing and this is kind of what Willie had told me to do, and then I did find a video on it. So I basically brush the paint on, get it in the grooves and the cracks, and then you put a little mineral spirits on a paper towel, get that ready. So we'll try one here and see how it works. Just gonna dab it in there. Try not to get too much in there so it's not flowing, you know, so it's not totally filling up the... I think I did a little too much there. Get some of that out of there. Yeah, I put too much paint in there, I think. Alright, let's try wiping it down and see what happens. Yeah, I got a little too much paint back here. Pulling it out. Yeah, that looks pretty good. There, that don't look too bad. Now, on there, it's not stamped very deep, so I'm going to have to go back very carefully and redo a little bit of that. And I've got a little bit of streaking here yet. That looks pretty good. A little streak there yet. Yeah, I put too much paint in there. By the time I'm done, I'll get good at it. Yeah, I don't like that F there yet. Yeah, I got too much paint in there. I'll go over there. It goes. There it goes. There, I like that better. Okay, remember, don't put too much paint in there. Alright, I'm going to keep going and we'll see what it looks like. I have some thin areas that aren't stamped very deep, but that's okay. We'll take care of those at a later date. Once this paint dries here, when I got more patience, I'll go back and work on those. That one's a little bit on the fan there, and that arrow's not too good. Yeah, it's a little thin there. Yeah, we'll work on that. But the rest of it came out real nice. Nice to see them looking like new again.